At Mazie Slater, Katz & Freeman, we have a reputation for winning record-breaking verdicts and settlements. We are the team that won a landmark $135 million jury verdict against Aramark when a young girl was paralyzed by a drunk driver. We won $12 million for the family of a 21-year-old man who died 12 hours after having his wisdom teeth removed. We won $14.7 million for a man who suffered severe injuries to his leg. We won $15.75 million for a New Jersey company which was victimized by accounting malpractice. And we won a $39 million class action settlement on behalf of the doctors of New Jersey against a large health insurer. At Mazie Slater, Katz & Freeman, no case is too difficult for us. We aggressively litigate every case, from the smallest to the biggest, leading the media to describe our lawyers as warriors. You have the option to choose the very best. Choose Mazie Slater, Katz & Freeman.